Soft like a cloud, soaked in creamy mango goodness. This is not your regular cake. Today I am making the most viral summer dessert, Mango Tres Leches Cake. Ultra soft mango sponge soaking up 3 kinds of milk. This is pure summer magic. So let's start with our super fluffy mango sponge cake. Now in a bowl add 4 large eggs. Eggs should be on room temperature. Now add sugar, powdered sugar. Whisk eggs and sugar until pale, thick and tripled in volume. This step is key for that airy sponge. Beat on high for 8 to 10 minutes until pale and ribbon stage. This creates that cotton texture. Add mango pulp and essence. Fold softly to keep all the air inside. Don't deflate the air. Gently fold it with light hands. In another bowl, sift dry ingredients, flour, baking powder and salt. Fold in slowly in 2-3 batches. Mix milk and oil separately. Add a spoon of batter into it, then fold back. This step keeps batter airy. Now mix this oil and milk mixture in the batter and fold it gently. Pour this mixture in a lined pan and bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. I have baked here in a pot. While the cake is baking, let's make milk mix. Mix all 3 milks in a bowl with mango puree, fresh cream, evaporated milk and condensed milk. Mix them well until well combined. This is what gives that rich juicy flavor to the cake. Look how cotton sponge this cake is. Trim the edges of this cake and cut it in half. Place first piece of the cake in a plate and poke holes with the help of fork. Now slowly pour the milk mixture, let it soak like a sponge drinking sunshine. Top it up with generous amount of whipping cream. Now again place another piece of the cake. Top with fresh mango cubes for that tropical finish. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more bakery style recipes.